we made it, bro. We just gotta go up the mountain. Here, we made it. Highway 9. Now we wait.
You were in the side view.
Oh yeah, there's the E36 that caught up to us.
You coming up soon?
Yes, sir. A little bit. I'd say about half a mile. Who's behind us? Yeah. Oh, yeah, he's right around the corner. Oh. Holy shoot. Oh god, the cranes, bro. Oh shit.
They went out?
Huh?
The cranes went out?
Don't worry about the cranes, bro. The tires are chirping, bro. Oh my god. Get here. God damn it. This yacht is going hella fast. M3 right there? Or M4? Beautiful. KB Dawn. Sebi?
What the fuck?
What's good, bro?
How's it going?
I saw your RCM, bro. What you doing?
Who are you here with?
I'm with my dad. I'm here with my dad.
That's crazy. What the fuck?
Yeah. Dude, I saw this shit. I was like, yo, it can't be. No way,
Oh,
dude.
yeah, this is my homie. This is a DJ. This is a G80.
What's good, bro?
This is James. He has the
James.
he has the 91.
Tyler.
Tyler.
Nice to meet you guys.
Back down.
Y'all go to Davis or?
No. Santa Clara.
Oh, it's fucking fire, bro.
That's crazy that I saw you here. What the fuck?
I know. This is your G80? Or who's
That's his G80, yeah.
Fucking, that's nice.
Nice spider.
What's it called? Green? What's the color?
Isle of
Man.
Yeah.
That's clean, bro. It's beautiful.
No. Where's the
clean.
S2000?
Dude, we're gonna. So cool.
Okay. Oh, okay, good. Good.
So cool.
Okay.
It's like a little go-kart.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm with you.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm with you. Yeah, I think we can just come down here. It's not that complicated.
I didn't even notice like how like angular it is right here.
So you know what the height is for you. So depending on the floor of the car, wind.
I know you are sitting on the floor. You hear that? That's loud.
Can you hear the dog barking?
That siren's loud. Think someone crashed?
Good. I don't see no fire.
I hope not, but that'd be pretty bad if it's already that big of a fire. I gotta save this location next time I come up here, the S2K. Or whatever car. Got some motorcycles. Oh, those packages. Very nice. Pretty nice.
This thing I found
We can just take those and be. No, I was kidding. That's what some hoodlums would do. Great. 880. Great. Great. Wait, GR86. That house is crazy. Alright, Dad. Try the matcha chai. Take the first sip.
Is it a tab or is it open?
No, it's open right here. How is it? Is the chai a little spicy?